honestly, I'm loving it because Baby has given a lot to me. People have started recognizing me. लोग मतलब देख के मतलब मेरा dialogue बोलते हैं. Whoever sees me and just says बस मरना मत. So that gives me a different high altogether. Honestly, I'm loving it because Baby has given a lot to me. People have started recognizing me. मुझे पहचानने लगे लोग और लोग मतलब देख के मतलब मेरा डायलॉग बोलते हैं. Whoever sees me and just says बस मरना मत. So that gives me a different high altogether. And people are appreciating like, okay, fine, now she's an actor. So that's a different feel altogether. But still a long way to go. It's just the beginning. Luckily, I've got this Hollywood project and I'm doing a guest appearance in Mohit Suri's film. So yeah, so far so good, yes. Honestly, this line, I think every field has ups and downs, and this journey has been very interesting. It's been like a roller coaster ride for me. Very interesting, very challenging, but yes, lots of fun because I started with ads and stuff, and then I started modeling, and then I got TV, and then again I got film, and again I got TV. So it's like different things I was doing, but this Baby just changed. Actually, it was the Airtel ad which just changed my life upside down. But yeah, it's been like a struggle. I mean, I've had times where it's like a year I haven't done anything in my life, and I was like waiting for a call. It's just about that call you get. So I was waiting for that call, and then I got this TV Kumkum Bhagya, which gave me good recognition, that also. So yeah, but it's fun. It's been a good, fun life. I mean, it's lots of experience, lots of learning experience, mistakes in my life. But with mistake, you learn something. Yeah. So yeah, it's been good. So far, so good. Well, honestly, these days it's not been like that. That if you're doing TV, you can't do films, or if you're doing films, it's like the industry has become very great at this moment, because if I'm doing TV, if I get TV right now, I can still do films. I mean, I've done TV before also. But yes, the transition has been difficult because there was a taboo that, okay, if you're doing TV, you become too much popular, then they don't take you for films. But right now, the directors, they want a character. They don't want like, oh, she has to be like a completely dancing around types. They want a character who fits the bill. So which has been great. Still, it's been difficult because right now also I've just started getting good work. It's like right now also it's not that I have just got, okay, I'm signing projects after projects. It's not like that. It's still like industry is taking time to take in that, okay, fine, this is a new outsider which is coming in. But yeah, they have started accepting me as an actor, which is great for me. Still a long way to go for sure, but fingers crossed, going good as well. पहले जब मैं बॉम्बे आई थी, that time I was little skeptical, like, oh, I should not do this particular role, because that was in my head. लोगों ने डाल दिया था दिमाग में कि you should not do this kind of role, otherwise you will be typecast. But then after a point of time, I wanted to survive also in Mumbai so that I reach a certain level. Then I thought कि no, if I give my 100% in that particular character might just turn up like a nice character. और मेरे साथ यही हुआ कि मैंने जो भी character, that was a small role, I gave in my 100%. I thought that this is it. After this only, I might just get some good project and I might be known. Little recognition might come. So I used to give my 100%, and by God's grace, touch wood, that character had been famous. Like, people still remember, if I've done a small role also, they still till date remember that particular character, which is a great thing for me. I have done smaller roles, but like prominent roles. It's not that just, मतलब वो भी बहुत important होता है कि if you're just doing a ऐसे one day का character. It's like for example, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, he's done so many characters, but उनकी acting इतनी कमाल की है कि वो character याद रह जाता है. Like the entire film, if he has just a cameo also in that Talash, he just had a small bit, but then still people remember him throughout. So that matters for an actor कि एक आप ऐसा कमाल कर जाओ जिससे पूरा याद रह जाए. That helps you to grow in life also. So that's what I am trying to do. Like, if it's a small role also, I'm trying to give in my 100% so that I feel that this is it. After this, I'm gonna get my next big project. Well, dream debut, of course, there are like, I am a big fan of Madhuri Dixit, so I wanted to debut like her, just like ek, do, teen, all that things. And but I mean, I am happy with my career so far. I love Priyanka Chopra in fashion, Deepika Padukone in Cocktail, and Madhuri Dixit in all her films. Grown up watching her, like she's my idol. So I want to do films like those kinds, and I want to do films like Debarkar Banerjee makes, or Kahani and stuff like that, like commercial also and artistic also, which has like you have your acting potential also, you can show that. And plus it's a commercial hit, so I would prefer that kind of films. But whatever comes my way, I will take it up because I am an actor. I want to do films which satisfies me, like not just films, like whether it's, if I love dancing, if I get a reality show, I would love to do a reality show as well. So I would just, I'm craving for something just to show my work. Well, the one film which changed my game was Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Expressions Madhuri had, I was just sitting like this throughout the film, looking at her dancing, her expression, her eye movement, everything was so flawless that was the thing that, oh, I think I also want to try this. And then I started dancing on my own and went to dancing classes and stuff like that. But then at that time I thought, हाँ मैं तो Bombay जाऊँगी and I just gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna be like next Madhuri Dixit. But yes, once you come here, you realize, no, it's not that easy. So I respect to all the women who are like superstars and actors who've made it on their own. I think all her character, whether it's Hum Aapke Hain Kaun or Devdas or anything, I just love her performance in every film. And this Dil To Pagal Hai, this was also one of the films which was like, I think almost मैंने 50 बार वो फिल्म देख ली है just because of Shah Rukh Khan and Madhuri Dixit. So yeah, I'm in love with them. I think Aankhon Dekhi, there's this film, and Dum Laga Ke Haisha, which has come out now. I think आजकल बहुत ही different film बन रही हैं, which I think अभी वो ऐसे मतलब ज़बरदस्ती का अगर आप दिखा रहे हैं, मतलब of course I'm not blaming it on any film, but then anyone want, and I as an actor want to do those kind of films also because masses में वो ही चलते हैं. But like जो लोग अभी जो थोड़ा different सोचने लग गए, like for actors like us or for people like who want realistic films, they love those छोटी छोटी जो चीज़ें होती हैं जो realistic life में चलती हैं, नोक झोंक, प्यार मोहब्बत, या फिर जो कुछ language, different languages, धम लगा के हईशा में different language. So these all things you relate to such things, and I am from small town, so I can relate to all these kind of stories. So I feel that those kind of films will really I think we should make more these kind of films. Mohit Suri's films, Hamari Adhuri Kahani. This is like a Vidya Balan, Imran Hashmi, Rajkumar Rao's film, and I am doing a small guest appearance in that. I am no one to talk about it. It's Mohit sir, only he'll just talk about it. But I would just say it's a fantastic film he's made. I am hearing some good things, like people are coming up to saying that the film has come out very nice. And yeah, I think this is going to be again his third biggest hit ever, for sure. This is The Black Prince. It's called The Black Prince, and I am playing the younger version of Shabana Azmi, which is, I am honored to be playing her younger version because I have always admired her work. She's fantastic. She's a fantastic. I was a little scared that, oh my God, will I be able to do her younger version, because I have looked up to her. She's a fantastic actor, and I was like, okay, I need to really prepare myself to go before shooting. I prepared for the Punjabi accent and everything. There are so many Hollywood actors, and Amanda Root, and like for me, it's like I am playing the younger version of Shabana. That gave me like a different kick altogether. A Hollywood project, it's like a dream come true for me, and so yeah, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. This film is about the last king of Punjab. A very different project made, because this is something new which they're trying. It's like based in LA. The film was shot in UK. But also it has Punjabi people like Sardars and everyone all over. And I think I saw the promo. It looks fantastic, I think, and they're also trying for awards and stuff because it's it's based on a true story. So yeah, let's see, keeping my fingers crossed. I couldn't even meet her. Yeah, I think I just got to know that she wanted to meet me, which I was really happy about that. But then I will definitely meet her soon whenever she has time. I think she's shooting for Jazba, so I think whenever she has time, so I'll definitely meet her. But yeah, I wish I had a scene with her, or she was at least there with me when I was shooting her younger version. But maybe some other film. There are no limitations for an actor. I think you just need to just go as far as you can to act, to make the character look real. But for me, nudity is little. I'm little scared of, which I want to overcome. But our India, they can't, as it is. The censor board is so this thing that you can't show nudity, so I am very safe here. But yeah, nudity is something which I'm little skeptical about. But otherwise, as an actor, I think we should just do whatever comes to look the character realistic. Yeah. Well, I always had a wish list. Like since the time I've come here, I wanted to work with Karan Johar. Now they are like Imtiaz Ali, Dibakar Banerjee, Neeraj Pandey, and Neeraj Pandey I got to work with in Baby. So I'm the happiest person. So I saw his film Wednesday and Special 26 Wednesday. So I'm like fan of his, like one film which I can watch it n number of times. Shimit Amin, Chak De, and I think these are directors I want to work with because they make really good films, which I think which you can never get bored of. You can just watch it like today you watch it and the next day again you can watch it. They have something to show. They have the characters which are so well written. The characters are so realistic. Unlike in Baby, Anupam Kher was so good. It all depends on the actor also. Like Anupam Kher is a fantastic actor and he tries to do something or the other different in his characters. But yeah, I would like to work with, I have like a wish list, so I want to work with all of them. Hopefully I get in this Janam of mine. Amazing. I think he's a fantastic person. More than an actor, he's a fantastic human being. Because he's a star, I was a little skeptical. I was like, oh my God, will I be able to do it and perform in front of him? Because मतलब कहीं हंसी ना छूट जाए या कुछ मतलब nervous में कहीं पसीने ही ना आते रहे. But when I met him only the first time, he made me so comfortable that I never felt that, oh, he's a superstar. I just felt that he treated me as a friend. So which made us do the scene so comfortably and so आराम से कि पता ही नहीं चला कि अच्छा मैं यहाँ पे बड़ी फिल्म कर रही हूँ, बड़े एक्टर्स के साथ फिल्म कर रही हूँ, बड़े डायरेक्टर के साथ फिल्म कर रही हूँ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लगा. मतलब बहुत ही इजीली स्मूथली शूटिंग के दिन निकल गए, गाना शूट हो गया. The song was also, मतलब we always used to crack jokes. He used to always crack jokes and the entire song I was just laughing throughout. So that's why I think the chemistry came out very nice. I am passionate about dancing. I love dancing. I want to open a dancing this thing also. But let's see, not it's too early because I want to train myself properly. I am trained in Odissi though, but I want to train myself more. And I also want to be a director. But right now I'm only concentrating on acting because acting is something which I'm very passionate about. That's the topmost thing. After that it comes direction and dancing and stuff. Direction, I think I have, like, I can do it after 20 years also, 25 years also. Right now I should just concentrate on acting. Yeah.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.